Have you ever wished you could spend your crypto just like cash, swiping at stores or withdrawing from an ATM? Well, guess what? You actually can. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for your Bybit Card, step by step, so you can start using your crypto for real-world payments without any stress. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a special bonus, how you can get up to $300 cashback just by using the card. First things first, if you don't already have a Bybit account, you'll need one. Don't worry, I've dropped a special sign-up link for you right there in the description. It only takes a minute. Once you sign up and complete your KYC verification, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, open up your Bybit app and tap on Assets. Once you're inside the Assets section, you'll notice an option that says Card, Apply Now. This card isn't available for everyone worldwide. It's limited to certain regions. So if you see the option available on your app, congratulations, you can apply. Go ahead and click Apply Now, then tap on Activate Card. Next, select your country, click on Country, and scroll to see your country name. In my case, Nigeria is already selected, so I'll just hit Confirm. Right here, it's asking me to verify my identity again, and this part is very important. Click on Verify and choose your ID type. From the ID option, you can use ID card, passport, driver's license, resident permit. I'm selecting passport for this video. Tap Continue, then allow the app to access your camera. Now carefully scan your ID, and yes, for security reasons, I'm blurring out my personal details here. Once you successfully scan and upload your ID, you'll get a confirmation that says, "We received your document." And usually, the verification only takes a few seconds to a few minutes. Hold up. Before we continue, if you found this tutorial helpful so far, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I create step-by-step guides like this all the time, and you definitely don't want to miss out on the next one. Go ahead and click subscribe. I'll wait a second for you. All right, let's move on. Now that your ID is verified, head back to the Assets section. Tap again on Card Apply Now, then tap Activate Card one more time. Next, go ahead and fill out your address information. After that, you'll need to answer a few quick questions. What are you using Bybit for? Select Trading on Bybit. Employment status, choose Self-Employed or whatever applies to you. Annual income, pick the appropriate range that fits your situation. Fill those in and then tap Next. Here, link your mobile number and email if you have not, or if you want to change your email, go ahead and click on Change. Agree to the terms by checking the box and hit Submit. Now you'll see a message confirming that you've requested a virtual card. And yes, depending on your region, you might also be eligible for a physical card option. In my case, Bybit only offered me a virtual card, but that's still amazing because you can use it instantly for online shopping, subscriptions, and more. And here's the juicy part. Bybit is running a limited time offer right now. When you use your new card, you'll earn 10% cashback, up to $300. New users who sign up through my link will automatically qualify after depositing at least $100. If you're an existing user, you can still get up to 150 USDT worth of cashback, which you can spend however you like. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the comments and let me know if you've successfully applied for your Bybit card. I'll be there checking and replying to your comments personally. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.